756 here. I'll just be making a random video on this old piece of awesomeness. It's an old oven. It's obviously being used for putting stuff on. Some grills underneath there. Here's the inside. Some nice switches. It's electric. It looks really old and vintage, but it is vintage and it is really old. Original manual, everything. Whirlpool. So there you got that. You got the lock over here. Alright. Now let's go to this Frigidaire Elite. Really old. There is fungus in here. Smells really bad. Here's what the wire looks like. Here's what the bottom story looks like. There's baking powder all over the place. Well, and here's the bottom. Nice old vintage design. So yeah. So there you go. Nice old oven and fridge. So yeah, random video. See you.